Hi, welcome to my course Mac OS X Support Data Management. My name is Herta Nava. I am an IT and localization consultant. I am also a certified Apple support professional and a very enthusiastic author at Pluralsight. Developing skills to support Mac users will enhance your professional opportunities as a service technician, technical coordinator, or as an advanced user. On the other hand, this course is the fourth in a series of courses that help you prepare to take the examination to become an Apple certified support professional. The Apple Training and Certification Program is a very important path you would want to pursue because it will keep you at the forefront of the Apple technology and it will help you stand out from the crowd. In this course, we're going to see everything related to data management in a Mac with the OS X operating system or later. The major topics that we will cover include files and folders, the system resources available in Mac, file system metadata and search, and how to make the most of the time machine backups. By the end of this course, you will have the skills and knowledge required to support Mac users with regard to these topics. Before beginning the course, it would be very recommended to take or have taken the previous courses in this series, which you will find here in the Pluralsight library. Please join me on this journey to learn all about data management in Mac with this course right here at Pluralsight.